Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Jess.
And I'm Meg.
And welcome to SÄN Festival 2017.
Woo! I'm from CETV.
And we're from Express.
And we're covering SÄN's Discovery Day for Cardiff Student Media.
Wel, ni'n edrych ymlaen I weld pawb ar y Libertino stage yn clwb. Shame.
Ie, ni wedi clywed pethau dda am Shame, so ni'n really excited I weld nhw.
A oedd Peace a pawb neithwr yn tramsied yn amazing, so yeah.
Awesome.
Fi'n credu ni wedi cael cwpl o digwyddiadau ble mae bach o sexism yn digwydd. Dim ar pwrpas, ond fel subconsciously people do it.
Pobl ddim yn recognise yn pobl yn neud e.
Na, gathon ni gig yn Cardydd blwyddyn diwetha a nath y sound guy just completely ignore ni. Gathon ni ddim sound check yn y byd, oedd yn siarad i'r boys yn byti guitars stuff, oedd e just bach yn dodge. Massive. Ni moyn ysbrydoli merched ifanc I just bod din nhw. Fi'n credu ni wedi, it's taken us some time I ffindo.
Ddim half as confident nawr.
Mae wedi cymryd amser, ni moyn just dangos bod just
But impossible.
Be yourself. Just be yourself.
Wel, I ddim ond I cael un gig mas o Gymru yn Latitude Festival.
Mae pobl sydd ddim yn siarad Cymraeg yn cymryd y ffaith bod ni'n siarad Cymraeg a canu'n Cymraeg yn rili dda. Maen nhw'n rili licio fe, maen nhw'n maen nhw'n ffindio fe'n gwahanol, maen nhw'n very intrigued I caneuon Cymraeg a music Cymraeg. Album.
Ni cael album dod mas blwyddyn nesa.
Cwpl o gigs, ni'n neud mwy o gigs ffem ni, gobeithio lan yn Gogledd Cymru a stuff. A lot o'n mynd mlaen, I'm not keeping count to be honest, I don't know what's going on.
SoundCloud is ble mae
music ni, ond mae dyn ni Facebook, Twitter, Instagram,
the whole shebang.
The whole shebang. Popeth o dan Adwaith band. If you Google it, you'll find it.
You started with 1, 2, 3, 4.
Noson dywyll awyr clir Golau stryd yn cuddio'r gwir Ffenestri oer ar ewyn plaen Golau bans ar breuddwyd ymlaen Pai llithro lawr y dyffryn ma Mae ffordd yn slick os mae eira Meddylia dros dy hun rhyw ddydd Pai colli golwg, pai colli'r ffydd Cerdded lawr y llwybr cil Mae nawr bore dy Sul Cwmwl o tobacco llwyd Cwmwl o tobacco llwyd Sniffo bethau lan dy drwyn Paid llithro lawr y dyffryn ma Mae ffordd yn slick os mae eira Meddylia dros dy hun rhyw ddydd Paid colli golwg, paid colli'r ffydd
Yeah.
Light another cigarette, drinking your wine. You say I could be a baby if I give you some time. 'Cause I watch you move and I can't think straight. Your glasses steam up as I kiss your face. Burning desire, now lukewarm. Gonna set myself on fire to keep you warm. To keep you warm. So would you be so kind as to give me peace of mind? Dry my eyes on the back of my sleeve. Don't know what it is I'm trying to achieve. To achieve. One too many times, far too many times I've been let down by you. Learning to take care of myself. Don't need nobody else to get me through. To him it's just another loss. Convinced he's never gonna win. So would you be so kind as to give me peace of mind? Dry my eyes on the back of my sleeve. Don't know what it is I'm trying to achieve. To achieve. Lighting a cigarette, drinking your wine, drinking your wine, drinking your wine, drinking